Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're going to fix save errors by starting with permissions and storage. Open your phone settings, grant WhatsApp access to files, media, and photos so the app can write to storage. Once done, check local storage and free at least 100 megabytes. Low space often blocks saves. Then connect to a stable Wi-Fi or reliable mobile data. Downloads fail when the network is flaky. Make sure no VPN or restrictive firewall is active, because those can interrupt media transfer. Next, focus on app state and secure connections. On Android, clear WhatsApp cache from app settings. On iPhone, force quit and relaunch the app. Don't clear app data unless you have a backup. Make sure date and time are set to automatic because SSL connections fail with wrong timestamps. Also turn off battery saver or data saver and allow background data for WhatsApp so downloads continue. Finally, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate a network issue. To complete the repair, back up your chats to Google Drive or iCloud so you don't lose messages, then uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. During setup, restore the backup and test media saving. If reinstalling doesn't help, check external storage like an SD card. Remount it, set correct write permissions, or move media folder to internal storage. One key troubleshooting tip: if media still won't save, try saving a small test file from another app to confirm hardware or file system corruption before seeking deeper repairs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.